Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to like games on Roblox mobile. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Roblox app on your phone. Now, to like a game, you need to first find it. You can either search for the game you wanted to like or find it from your recently played list. Once you have found the game, tap on it to go to its main page. And now, simply scroll down. And here you will see an option to upvote or downvote, and you will also see the percentage of votes to like a game on Roblox. Simply tap on the upvote button. If you don't see this option or if you can't vote, so make sure to first visit the experience and play it a bit. And that's it. That's how you can easily like games on Roblox mobile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.